Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look at this. So this is a Ferrari F40 competizione. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. So this is by Maisto and this is their metal series. So let's open and see how it looks. Okay, here's a closer look of it. Okay, so here both the headlights and taillights are just painted. It is not like fiber or something like that. So for this price range, it's pretty neat actually. It's not like too detailed or too shabby. So this is pretty decent. And the windows are not see-through. So they're using the same wheels for all this series. If you guys remember, we unboxed the Ferrari previously, which is the Ferrari 480 GTB. That one has the same set of wheels just like this. So I hope the entire series doesn't have the same set of wheels. Let's see. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be great if you guys subscribe and support me. So that would help me to put a lot more great content like this. So consider subscribing. And thank you for watching this video. Have a great day guys. Goodbye.